Hey Faye, we just came out of Pop Mart. Okay, we just came out of Pop Mart, and I've been wanting a nyota so bad.
And I went and got this little
The
Monsters Carnival. I'm hirono. I'm trying to get the bunny, the Grim Reaper, or the Doctor. Whichever one of those is pretty fine. The one I don't want, honestly, is the zombie or the vampire. But if I get it,
The secret
it'll
looks
be fine.
cool.
And then if I get the secret, then that's also cool too.
Where moments meet. My favorite is gonna be Sunny Nap. Look at how cute she is. Starcatcher. Try not to look at the card because they always come with like a special, like
Yeah,
a
little
card. You know how I always keep them in my little binder.
And how do you not see that first?
Did you see it?
No.
Oh,
I can
I'm
feel
just
it. I
trying
can
to
feel
like
it.
move it to the side and just get
So
the
just-
bag.
Okay.
Just get the bag.
Just get the bag. Oh, but it's pulling it out. It's gonna pull it
Just
out, but
leave
I'm
it
not
in
gonna.
there.
All right, I'm gonna pull it out. Don't look. I'm gonna pull it out. Pull it out.
Okay. Okay.
Wait. There you
No,
go.
what if it's just, oh, is it in there?
Oh, that scared me.
Okay.
This shit scared me. I thought it was it.
Wait, I saw it. Wait, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm not gonna tell you. Go ahead.
Whoa. It's the one I wanted.
That's what felt. That's why I was like, oh my god, yes. We were talking about
What's the
how
name?
he wanted this one.
Like something beak.
Dr. Beak.
Dr. Beak. We got the Dr.
The card's
Beak.
a little bent.
Ooh, my bad about my nails.
here,
We were
show
dyeing
off-
clothes
show
last
off the
night,
card
and
right
yeah, it's only my fingernails. But we got the Dr. Beak. Meow.
He's so
Burp.
cute. This is the one.
Ooh, yeah. Damn, we got them real.
Oh my god, she has her cat. She has her cat. This is actually the one I want. I'm so happy. I'm actually so happy you're kidding. You're actually playing with me right now. Oh my god,
Nice.
she's so cute. This is my first nyota. Look at that. Look at her little face.
The Kiki.
It's a Polaroid. It's a Pop Mart Polaroid. She's so cute. I'm gonna cry.
That's so cute. Meow.
Bye with you later. Bye.